This is the Cricut Brightpad Go, your companion for weeding intricate designs. Let's unbox this and see what it can do. When making intricate designs like this shirt, weeding can sometimes be stressful. Let me know down in the comments, do you find weeding stressful or do you find it to be a soothing activity? The Brightpad Go is a light box that's gonna really help you with weeding. When we open it up, it looks like a large tablet. Now this is a cordless, lightweight, thin accessory. And it comes with the tablet itself, and then we've got a little instruction booklet here, as well as a charger. You can plug in your Brightpad Go and then use it cordless wherever you want to weed your projects. There's a few buttons up here. There's a power button, and then there are a plus and minus button. This has 5 brightness settings, all with an LED light, which reduces eye strain. When you're looking at this box to do your weeding, you're not gonna get any of that eye strain. Thin, lightweight, portable, take it wherever you need to go to create your projects. So let's make a shirt. I grabbed some patterned iron-on vinyl here, and I'm cutting out this heart design. Now on the Brightpad, you can see this is what I cut out, and you can see the lines there, but it might be a little difficult. So we're gonna lay it pattern side down on the Brightpad. I can adjust the brightness so I can really see those lines. Then using a weeding tool, I'm just gonna pull off the excess and then come back, and I'm able to see all the little bits and pieces that need to come out before I can put this on my shirt. Now I'm just gonna use my Easy Press to adhere this iron-on to a shirt. The Brightpad has been a game changer for me in weeding. I was the kind of person who found weeding really tedious, but when I'm able to see all my cut lines, it makes the job kind of soothing and a whole lot easier. You can find a link to the Brightpad down in the description of this video and a link to the other products that I use to make this cute shirt. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any other Cricut questions, comment down below and consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. Thanks so much for watching.